Using Google Chrome extensions are one way you can make your life very easy and simple when browsing on the internet. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my 5 favorite Chrome extensions and how you can also use them to make your life very simple. So without wasting time, why don't we start? So imagine you go to a website and you want to capture the full page screen or get a full screenshot of the website page. There's a free tool called GoFullPage, and what this tool does is it takes a screenshot of whatever website you are on from the header to the footer section of the website. So how does it work? So this is a newly opened website that I'm on right now, and let's just say I want to capture the page right from the header to the footer section. All I need to do is, with the Chrome extension already installed, I come to the top right corner here, look for the icon here and click on the icon, and what it does is it captures the full page of the website right from the header to the footer section. So after it captures the whole page of the website, it opens a new tab for you. And when you come to the top right hand side corner here, you can see you can download this either as a PDF or as a JPEG. In my case, I'll go for PDF. So once you click on PDF, it's a new window will open up for you to save the screenshot, and then you have a file of the page which you can send to anybody that you want to send to. Extension number 2 is called the image downloader. So you're on a website and you want to be able to download an image that you found interesting and maybe use it in your works or in a flyer or something that you are designing. This tool also helps you do that with just a click of a button. So let's see how it works. So using the previous website that we used, if you want to download an image in here, all we need to do right now is go to the top right corner. I already have the image downloader installed. So when I click on it, it will give me a window that shows all the images on this website. So if I find the image I want to download, let's just say I want to download this very image, all I need to do is click on the download button here and it will download it right onto my PC. Extension number 3 is the Internet Download Manager tool. Now if you are watching a video on YouTube or you're on any website and you are watching a video but you want to be able to download that video, this is exactly what this tool helps you do. So how does it work? So I'm on a website here on YouTube and I'm watching a video right here, but I want to be able to download this video. Now if you have this tool installed or the IDM Chrome extension tool installed, the moment you start playing a video, you will see this icon showing up here, download this video. So if you want to download it, you just click on it and it will give you various resolutions of the video which you can download. This is a very great tool on every website that you are on. The moment you start playing the video or an audio, you see this icon popping up which helps you download any video that you want to download. The 4th extension that I'll talk about is the AdBlock extension tool. This AdBlock extension tool does for you is it helps you say goodbye to pop-ups, video promotions and distracting ads on your most favorite websites. I know nobody wants to be distracted with ads when you are busily browsing the internet. So once you have this AdBlock extension tool installed in your Google Chrome, when you visit any website, you will not have the trouble of finding distracting ads which might take up your time when you are trying to browse on the internet. The last extension I will talk about is the Smart Color Picker. So maybe you're a graphic designer or you are a web developer and you go onto a website and you find a particular color you find interesting, but you want to pick the color code of that particular color. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm back on the website we started with, and let's just say I like this color very much, but I don't know the color code. I want to pick this color and use it in the project somewhere. Now with my Smart Color Picker installed, I can pick any color code I want on any web page that I open. So if I want to pick this color, All I need to do is go to the icon here, click on it, and then coming to the web page, you see a small box which indicates where it's picking the color from. So once I click on this color and then I go back to the icon again, you see that it has picked the color code in here, and this is the color code for that particular color that I want to choose. So, or if you want the color code, you just click on it and it will be copied to your clipboard, and you can easily use this color code. So there you have it. These are my 5 favorite Chrome extension tools that I normally use to make myself productive while browsing the internet. Maybe you might have some extensions yourself that you normally use. If you do, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, please don't forget to hit the like button. And while you're at it, please also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any new videos that I'll be uploading very soon on my channel. Thank you very much once again for joining me. Let's stay strong, let's stay safe, and I'll see you once again.